Movie. Movie.
Oh, hey,
Yay! Here we go again. 4th of July. Happy 4th, everyone. I'm ready to eat.
Oh, yeah. Sherry, is this your cup?
Huh? Oh, yeah. Thank you.
I just saw Simone.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to get Simone's cupcakes.
You talked to the Canes?
I texted him. I told him last night. I texted him. I was feeling for a while after this. Oh my God! Oh damn! Now it's camera time.
Mommy told me to get you all in the pool. It's yeah. I know. I love you guys. Is it powerful yet?
Yeah, we switched directions. We already switched.
Wow. Y'all are burning all that food off.
We're about to fall off. What?
All that food off.
We are. Debbie, next have another cupcake. Hey. Amen. I'll be with that. Mike, where are you doing?
I'm just trying to float.
Oh, floating. Let's go. You missed my wipeout.
Yeah, we were like, what happened? Oh, I told you.
She was in the current. I had the current.
Oh, wow.
I was on it chilling. And then